Hello everyone. Have you ever thought if there was a way to trade freely without risking your own money? What if there was a way to could leverage others' money instead your own to start trading, limiting your risk? I know it sounds very crazy. Who would give the chance, right? That's where prop trading comes in. Proprietary trading or prop trading is when a financial firm, like a prop firm, invests its own capital in the markets rather than just executing traders for clients. In prop trading, traders at the firm use the company to make money, their stock, forex, commodities, and on other financial instruments with the goal of making profit for the firm. In return for the skill, these traders typically receive a share of profit they generate, which can be substantial part of their earnings. Prop firm offer a unique spin on their model by allowing independent or retail traders to pass an evaluation, after which they gain access to funded account and earn a share of their profit they make without risking their own money. Prop trading is very popular because it enables traders to access large amount of capital and potentially earn high profits, all while reducing their personal financial risk. FTMO is one of the leading platforms when it comes to prop trading. Today I will be reviewing FTMO to help you understand how you too can take advantage of prop trading to make a huge profit for yourself. FTMO founded in 2015 and headquartered in Fargo. FTMO has paid their traders over $160 million. There is a two-step process consists of FTMO challenges and the FTMO verification, designed to access trader scale, risk management, and discipline under the real market condition. Some of the reasons on what makes this platform stand out are their evaluation process, risk management, performance coaching, and their free trial feature. Let's go deep into these topics and some their important thing you should know. Number one is evaluation process. This platform offers something they call the FTMO challenge. This is the first step for progressive traders. It requires participants to trade on demo account, meeting specific profit target, and adhering to strict risk management criteria. For example, traders can choose account size ranging from $10,000 to $200K with a different risk model available. Upon successfully complete, traders can then move on their verification stage, where they have 60 days to achieve 5% profit target, while according to same down row limits the challenges. Now, when it comes to trading, it's always important to have a mentor. An unique feature in FTMO, ability of performance coaches. These professionals are there help you refine their strategies and psychological approaches to trading. Now let's talk about the tools you get when you start the trading here. FTMO offers a range of very important tools to assist you in trading platform. Some of these tools are FTMO Trading Journal. This tool helps traders track their performance and analyze their trades systematically. Equality Simulator. They allow you to simulate various trading scenes based on historical data and fine-tune the strategies and better understand to the market. Strategic app offer insight into trading patterns and performance metrics, helping you to better. My favorite feature in FTMO is their own diverse asset range. You can trade across various asset classes including Forex, indicates, commodity, stock, cryptocurrency, which is a lot of prop trading platform lack. To help our traders to diversify our portfolio so we can minimize the risk. But that's not where it's in. You also get to trade our multiple trading platform including MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and DXTrade. This variety allows you to choose the platform that best suit your trading style. And let's not forget the 247 chat support to get the 16 different languages. Now, scaling plan. They have a well-structured scaling plan. If traders maintain an average profit of at least 2.5% per month over 4 months, they can qualify for a 20% capital increase and potentially get 90% profit share. Totally free for learn from their trading psychology to advanced trading strategies. That materials are designed to support traders in develop their skill and knowledge in terms of user experience. FTMO has a very user-friendly experience. You can easily navigate the platform to access their account. Besides the smooth verification process, quick payouts. There is an opportunity to share experience and strategies through platforms like Discord with their traders. It is quite an important feature for allows learn for more experienced traders. These were some of the unique features of FTMO, but let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros. Number one is the access to funded account. FTMO gives you the opportunity to trade with the funded account. You do not need to risk your own capital, allowing you to trade with a higher leverage and potential achieve large profit. Number two, high profit sharing. If you are a successful trader, you can retain up to 90% of their profits. Number two, high profit sharing. If you are a successful trader, you can retain up to 90% of the profit. The profit sharing model is highly appealing, especially when complete the trading retail condition and in constant many prop firms typically offer profit share is 70% or less. Number three, for risk management, FTMO plays in strong places. They provide the clear guidelines including maximum daily loss limit and overall drawdown. For instance, traders using the normal account must not exceed 10% maximum drawdown, and while those on aggressive accounts faces 20% maximum drawdown. I think it is an important structure that FTMO has placed. This structure approach ensures to traders prioritize capital preservation while pursuing the profits, and they don't risk too much at once. Number four, free trial. Besides all this feature, you also get the free trial. They offer you free trial that allows traders to test the platform before entering the evaluation process. This opportunity is quite rare among prop trading firms. I am pretty impressed that have this feature. Now, the cons. One of the potential drawdowns in evaluation fees associate the FTMO challenges, but these fees are refundable successfully passing the challenges process and getting a funded account. Second is the strict evaluation process. The region's evaluation process can be challenging. Some traders may find it difficult to meet their profit targets and risk management criteria, which can lead to a potential loss of fees paid. You also have a limited trading style. The restriction on holding traders through major new events and weekends can be limiting for swing traders and some who prefer to hold position the longer duration. If this video helped you to learn something new, please like this video, comment below, and if you have any question or doubts, I will be more than happy to help. Don't forget to share this video your trader friends and trading friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Happy trading.